Are you ready to participate in a Feldenkrais awareness through movement lesson? The title of this lesson is Roll the pelvis and lift the head to free the neck. By the way, if you'd like to go over the lesson quickly, or watch the gist in advance, click the white circled eye icon at the upper right corner. Otherwise, let's begin the lesson. Lie on the right side, please. Place the left hand on the top of the head and extend the finger close to the right ear. The fingers do not need to touch the ear at all. The hand is just for helping to lift the head. That is all. Slowly lift the head with the help of the hand from the floor a few times. Slowly remove the hand from the head and continue to lift the head. Leave it alone and rest. Try to find the left sit bone with the left hand and place the tip of fingers there. The palm of the hand lies on the side of the pelvis. Okay. Push the sit bone and the pelvis upward, toward the head and let it go a few times. Feel the left side of the pelvis rolls toward the head. Feel the right side of the lumbar comes close to the floor as you roll the sit bone. Slowly remove the hand from the hip and continue to roll the pelvis. Now, let's combine these movements. Roll the sit bone, and at the same time lift the head from the floor. Do this a few times. Feel the head lifts easily with the help of the pelvis. Leave it and rest, please. Once again, simply lift the head from the floor a few times. Roll to lie on the back and rest. Let's do it on the other side. Lie on the left side. Slowly lift the head from the floor a few times. Leave it alone. Roll the pelvis as if to push the sit bone upward toward the head and let it go a few times. Now, let's combine these movements. Roll the pelvis, and at the same time lift the head from the floor. Do this a few times. Feel the head lifts easily with the help of the pelvis. Leave it and rest on the back, please. Stand on the feet comfortably apart. Lift the left heel to roll the pelvis, and at the same time bend the neck left. Do not bend the knee. Do this a few times. Lift the right heel to roll the pelvis, and at the same time bend the neck right. Do this a few times. Do it left and right alternately. Lift the left heel to roll the pelvis, and at the same time bend the neck left once. Lift the right heel to roll the pelvis, and at the same time bend the neck right once. Like this, do it alternately. Leave it and walk around. Feel what happens at the moment you lift a heel as you walk. This concludes the lesson. Thank you.